Some American cities once thrived with industry, opportunity, and booming populations, but in 2025 a different story is unfolding. Across the country, certain cities are losing people, jobs, and hope fast. In this video, we reveal the 10 US cities that are dying fast in 2025. What went wrong? From crime spikes to economic collapse, these cities are unraveling, and the reasons may surprise you. Before we begin though, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome travel guides, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when we publish a new video. Let's cut to the chase. And first up at 10, Birmingham, Alabama, economic stagnation and youth flight. Once a hub of steel production and southern progress, Birmingham is now battling quiet decline. Its downtown revitalization efforts haven't reversed the larger trends. Shrinking job opportunities, rising poverty, and an exodus of younger residents. In 2025, the city faces persistent economic stagnation, with industries like manufacturing and mining offering fewer stable jobs. Meanwhile, high-tech investment has largely bypassed the region. The city's population has declined steadily over the past decade, and educational institutions struggle to retain graduates who head to cities like Atlanta or Nashville for better prospects. Crime rates have risen in certain districts, and public infrastructure remains underfunded. While Birmingham has cultural charm and historical significance, it lacks the momentum to compete in the modern economy. For many locals, the future feels uncertain, and for outsiders, the city has simply fallen off the map of opportunity. Next up at 9, it's Oakland, California. Tech spillover turns sour. Oakland was once touted as the next big boomtown, a more affordable alternative to nearby San Francisco. But in 2025, the shine, it's worn off. Rising crime, political instability, and hollowed-out business district have led to a steady outflow of residents and capital. Once boosted by spillover from Silicon Valley, Oakland's growth faltered when tech giants began slashing jobs and relocating teams post-pandemic. Violent crime, car break-ins, and homelessness surged, particularly in downtown and East Oakland, driving families and businesses away. High taxes and declining public safety have made it difficult for small businesses to stay afloat. The promise of urban revival has given way to boarded-up storefronts and empty offices. While the city still has cultural vibrancy and pockets of development, the wider trend is one of decline. For many, Oakland now represents missed potential and mounting challenges, not the next chapter of California's innovation story. At 8 now, it's Chicago, Illinois, rising crime and fiscal woes. Chicago, once the industrial heart of America, is now facing a critical turning point in 2025. While the skyline still dazzles, the city's deeper issues are driving an accelerated population decline. High-profile violent crime, persistent carjackings, and systematic gang activity have fueled public fear, especially in the city's south and west sides. Meanwhile, a ballooning city budget, underfunded pensions, and increasing property taxes have pushed middle-class families out to the suburbs, or out of Illinois altogether. Business confidence has dropped, with major corporations relocating or downsizing their Chicago footprints. Despite efforts to attract tech and green industries, public safety concerns and political infighting are stalling progress. The city is still rich in culture and architecture, but many locals feel they're paying more for less. Less safety, less stability, and fewer opportunities. Chicago's decline isn't sudden, but it's speeding up, and 2025 may be a tipping point. At 7, it's Jackson, Mississippi, infrastructure failure and water crisis. Jackson has become a symbol of municipal failure in America. The city's long-standing issues came to a head with its 2022-2023 water crisis, and in 2025, those problems remain unresolved. Years of neglected infrastructure, underinvestment and political gridlock have left residents with unreliable utilities, crumbling roads and intermittent public services. The population is shrinking as middle and working class families relocate to nearby suburbs or leave Mississippi entirely. Jackson also faces high crime rates, an eroding tax base and lower investor confidence. Federal aid has arrived, but implementation has been slow and marred by local disputes. Schools and hospitals are underfunded, and the business community is contracting rather than growing. For many residents, the sense of civic abandonment is real. Once a proud capital city with deep cultural roots, Jackson now finds itself on life support, struggling to deliver the basics of urban life. Next up at 6, it's Portland, Oregon, homelessness and public disorder. Once known for its creativity and progressive energy, Portland is now grappling with visible decay. In 2025, homelessness continues to dominate headlines as tent cities sprawl across public parks and downtown streets. Drug use, mental health crises and public disorder are increasingly unchecked, straining emergency services and driving residents and tourists away. Just imagine, Portland's permissive policies, once praised for compassion, are now being criticised for enabling chronic dysfunction. Businesses have closed or relocated, citing safety concerns and vandalism. Office vacancy rates remain high and downtown foot traffic is still well below pre-2020 levels. Many middle-income families are fleeing to the suburbs, frustrated by rising crime, sluggish city response and declining quality of life. Portland's political leadership remains divided on solutions, slowing real progress. Once a poster child for alternative urbanism, Portland is now a city where hope flickers, but where disorder threatens to overshadow everything else. Alright, at 5, it's Detroit, Michigan, a comeback that's stalled. Detroit's rise and fall is the stuff of American urban legend, but its comeback story has hit a painful pause in 2025. After a decade of slow recovery, the Motor City is once again losing population, with declining birth rates and continued outmigration. While downtown revitalization brought new restaurants, tech hubs and art spaces, that growth hasn't spread to many outer neighborhoods. Blight and abandoned buildings still scar vast areas. Public education remains underfunded, and many schools are struggling to retain teachers. Crime has stabilized somewhat, but public safety remains a concern in many areas. Automakers have shifted focus to electric vehicles and automation, leaving fewer jobs behind. Detroit's cost of living is relatively low, but without sustainable economic diversification, families and professionals continue to seek stability elsewhere. The city hasn't failed, but its revival momentum has clearly slowed, leaving many wondering what the next chapter holds. Next up at 4, it's Baltimore, Maryland. Crime, corruption and urban decay. In 2025, Baltimore is wrestling with some of the same problems that have haunted it for decades, but now with even fewer resources and less public trust. Violent crime remains high, with gun violence and carjackings dominating headlines. Efforts to reform policing and reduce corruption in city government have yielded mixed results. Once proud neighborhoods are battling neglect and businesses are leaving high crime areas. The city's school system faces deep budget deficits and many buildings remain in disrepair. Despite waterfront development and ongoing cultural events, Baltimore's deeper struggles persist. Infrastructure is crumbling, transit is unreliable, and the population continues to fall. Young professionals who once returned with hope are now leaving again, citing lack of opportunity and safety. Baltimore has potential, but without real systemic change, it's being remembered less for its charm and resilience and more for becoming a cautionary tale of urban decline. At 3 now, it's Cleveland, Ohio, aging infrastructure, fading industry. Cleveland is a city with grit, history and once vibrant industrial roots. But in 2025, it's facing a slow and stubborn unravelling. Manufacturing jobs have disappeared and tech or service industries haven't stepped in fast enough to replace them. The result? High unemployment, under-unemployment and a shrinking middle class. Cleveland's infrastructure is visibly deteriorating. Roads, water systems and public transportation are aging with little reinvestment. Downtown development has slowed and suburban sprawl has drained resources from the city core. While healthcare and education remain regional strengths, they aren't enough to anchor sustainable growth. Young people are moving to other cities for better prospects and the population continues to dip. Crime, though not the worst in the country, remains a barrier to investment. Cleveland still has community pride and cultural value, but without significant innovation, it risks becoming another former powerhouse fading quietly into the background. At 2, it's St. Louis, Missouri, population decline and violent crime. St. Louis is shrinking, and fast. In 2025, it remains one of the most rapidly depopulating cities in the US, with tens of thousands of residents leaving over the past decade. The reasons are all too familiar: violent crime, failing schools, and persistent poverty. Downtown struggles with empty storefronts, limited foot traffic, and aging buildings in need of repair. Meanwhile, suburban growth pulls families and tax dollars out of the urban core. Homicide rates remain high, and efforts to reform policing have sparked tension rather than resolution. The city's economic base, once rooted in manufacturing and transportation, hasn't modernized quickly enough, leaving gaps in job creation. Even with investment in biotech and startups, the overall impact has been minimal. St. Louis isn't a city in crisis, it's a city in slow retreat, where daily challenges outpace progress and hope is gradually replaced with resignation and exodus. And finally, at number 1, San Francisco, California, tech exodus and sky-high costs. San Francisco, once the epicenter of global innovation, is now facing a startling decline. In 2025, the city continues to bleed residents as tech giants relocate or downsize, driven by remote work, high taxes, and quality of life concerns. The cost of living remains among the highest in the country, yet basic services like public transport and safety have deteriorated. Open-air drug use, tent encampments, and unchecked crime in certain neighborhoods have hurt tourism and downtown commerce. Retail and office vacancies are soaring, and the middle class has all but vanished. Efforts to reform zoning and housing policy have been sluggish, leaving the city unaffordable and increasingly empty. San Francisco's identity as a progressive, tech-driven utopia has fractured. Now it's a cautionary tale, a city that built the future but forgot how to hold on to it. Residents are fleeing, businesses are scaling back, and recovery feels more distant than ever. From coast to coast, these cities tell a story of missed opportunities, deep-rooted issues, and shifting tides. Whether it's crime, infrastructure decay, or economic collapse, each city on this list is a warning of what happens when growth stalls and problems go unchecked. But here's the real question: can they turn it around? Or is this the beginning of a deeper urban unravelling? Let us know what you think in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a future episode. Thanks for watching.